Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a video on showing you guys my plants that are in my room. So like a plant collection, but just my room. I'm not gonna do a room tour. I can do that if you guys want, but for now it's just gonna be my plants. I'll give you guys a quick overview of what my room looks like. That's where all the plants are, my bed. That's about it though. It's not that big of a room, and most of my plants are over here. So I'm gonna start on the opposite side to get these over with. So I just have two bamboos, and then I have a string of dolphins, it was said to be, but I'm pretty sure it's a string of bananas. But it's just there, and then one bamboo, and it was almost as tall as this, but it started rotting at the top. I don't know why. It started getting yellow, so I cut it down, and then this one's really long. And then we'll start this way. Okay, so over here is my little stands that I have going. I'll start off with front and center, this ginseng ficus. I'll write the name down here because I know I'm mispronouncing. But look how thick she is. And I have little crystals here. So I used to neglect this plant a lot, and it was hidden behind my mirror because I stopped liking it. I don't know why. I got like depressed, and I don't know, it got depressed with me. So it finally started putting all this new growth within months, guys. It's been like 3 months, and look at all this new growth. And then to the right of it, I have a peace lily, and this was a damaged plant at Lowe's that I bought damaged, but I like seeing my plants. I prefer buying a damaged or like a baby plant than the full version, because then it makes me so happy when it starts growing. So it didn't have this leaf. It just put it out like last month, I would say. And these, I cut the stems off as soon as I got it. I just left one dead leaf, and I finally cut that dead leaf off. It was this one. But I put little rocks in there to keep the soil moist because it loves being wet. She's a thirsty girl. And then I have this ficus ruby, and it's putting out new growth. Look at it. This one has been here for so long and it does not grow, but it's growing another baby. Okay, and then I have some thyme back here, and I just grew that for my boyfriend. He likes using that in his steaks. And then I have my fiddle, and some of the bottom plants are like crusty, but that's how I bought it. It was actually on sale. I'm pretty sure it was like $18, and usually like there was a point, I feel like there was a point where they were super expensive, and now they're like going down in price. But I got it for 18 bucks, and it's a pretty good size. It was like up to here, so not too bad. And it's putting out a lot of new growth. Look at this new growth point, and these 3 new leaves. Look, it's so pretty. But I heard these little dots are from like inconsistent watering, and it might be, but I water my plants every Monday, and then if they don't need water, then I'll do it like on Wednesday or whatnot. But I feel like I'm pretty consistent with my watering. I don't know. And then it has another growth point. Another new growth, like new leaves down here. And it just had a baby leaf. But I was cleaning the leaves yesterday, and I accidentally knocked it down. So sad. And then over here, I just have the driest. I feel like it's been this length for such a long time. My friend actually gave me these cuttings of it. It's just a string of pearls. And then this donkey tail that she also gave me. So cute. And then I have a donkey tail that my boyfriend got me, and it's super full. So this is what it looks like. And I just have it here because it's still cold out, or else I'd put it outside. And then I have some snake plant cuttings that I literally just put in there because they were dead. Okay. And then over here, this is my most struggled plant. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but clearly everything. I was gonna cut it back and start fresh, but I don't think I need to. I don't know, guys, give me some tips. It's just rolling. Well, I know calatheas like being watered a lot, so I don't know. And then over here with my mess of things, pins and all that, I have like random little, like not my favorite plants. This succulent, I don't know what is going on. But it was like a variegated. I don't know. It had like white spots in it. So I thought it was really cool. But it started dying on me. And I stopped really caring. This pot also doesn't do any help for the plant. See, I have like dead roots in there. This little succulent has roots growing. These two I actually got from a friend's mom. She gave me them. And then on my windowsill, I have a few plants. So this is my desk area, vanity/desk. So over here I have my Monstera. I had a cutting from it and I just noticed this. What is that? Do I have to cut it off? Let me know. So I have it in some sphagnum moss to see if it'll root, because it was getting rotten in water. So then I have this little, is it an aloe? Is that what they're called? And it's putting out new growth finally. I've had this for so long in the same little pot. I don't know. I don't know why it's so down. It's so deep down there. And I have a pair of socks there, okay? Excuse me. But yeah, I just have this on my windowsill. And this says it's from Trader Joe's, but I got it from Goodwill. And then I have a Manjula Pothos, or Manjula. I don't know how people say it. I don't know the proper name, but yeah, it's right there on my windowsill again. And then look at this little cactus with all its new growth. It has like 8 new spots of new growth. And that's a baby little spot. But it's a beautiful, like purple and blue/green succulent. It's gorgeous to me. And then this little cactus, pokey little thing. And then I have this elephant ear. Anyway, continuing. I have an elephant ear unrolling, and I also got this damaged from Lowe's. I showed you guys in the last video. So I just have it on my windowsill. I'm trying to see if it'll continue producing good roots in this little thing. And then I have cuttings from my Maranta. I literally just cut them yesterday, so there's no roots yet. And then this super leggy succulent, it's really asking for some sun here, but whoops, I just knocked down a leaf. Okay, and then going to this corner, look at my dog, she's literally just staring at me. Okay, this is what I cut it from. So now it looks very empty, but I'm trying to get the plant more full. It literally had 1 leaf sticking out right here. I'll see if I could stick in a picture here, but I had 1 leaf sticking out and it would not produce any growth from that point. And then this one would grow so well. So yeah. Then I have this little pin, green thumb. So cute, look at it. All right, let's get over here. So over here is like my cabinet/plant corner. So I have more of my Manjula Pothos. And then I have my Monstera Deliciosa, and I don't know if it's sunburnt because I did have it in this little spot right here where it did get more sun, or if it's from fungus gnats, because I did have fungus gnats. I got that covered and it's good now, but I don't know. Go ahead and let me know what it is in the comments. I have a ZZ plant, and I don't know why it has that, but it's literally just 1 leaf of it, and then a dry plant back there. And then I have more thyme. Okay, moving from here, we get to this, which is just my dresser, and these plants. So I'll just point these out. This is a golden pothos, and that is a dead, what's it called? Oh my god, brain fart. I'll put it on the screen. And then a croton. And then another little ZZ plant. I have these succulents here. I don't know the names. I have this variegated string of pearls, and it's doing okay. Could have more growth. But I have this other golden pothos growing onto that, and then an inch plant. And then coming this way to my other windowsill, the outside of the window is dirty, okay? And I have an empty water bottle. Anyway, I have a little cactus and another cactus. So cute. And that's all.